In this video, we will study the interface and basic control elements of Artec Studio. To launch the program, double-click the icon on the desktop. There are 3 workspaces in Artec Studio. The Workspace panel contains information about scans and models which were created and important for the current project. You can see the name of the current project here. The 3D window shows your 3D content that is currently selected. In Control Panel, you can start a scanning session, apply necessary algorithms, and use editing tools. Let's import a test model into the software and study the interface of the workspace in detail. Above the main panel of the workspace, you can find a number of useful buttons able to create new, open, or save an existing project. Project files are saved in special file format .sproj. The project also includes folders with saved changes, history, and coded scan data. Take a look at how information is displayed. Double-click left mouse button. As you see, the scan consists of multiple separate snapshots organized in special ways relative to each other. These snapshots are called frames. The project can also contain scans, which are solid polygonal models. If you double-click on the scan with the left mouse button, you can see the following information: number of polygons, number of vertices, and the size of the model in RAM. All scans that were loaded or captured during scanning are displayed in the Workspace panel. They can be visible or invisible. The visibility of this or that scan can be defined by the eye sign on the left side of the panel. Algorithms are not applied to invisible objects and scans. In Artec Studio, you can switch between several modes of displaying the scans. There are several ways of displaying color information: displaying model with texture, displaying non-textured models, etc. As well as different parameters of rendering. We will study the ways of manipulating the 3D model in the workspace. Double-click on the model to place a temporary rotation center there, or TRC as it's called. The TRC can be seen as a little red dot. Use the left mouse button to rotate the model around the TRC. Use the right mouse button or the mouse scroll to zoom the model in or out. Left mouse button plus right mouse button will enable you to move the model. To the left of the 3D window, there's a tool panel. The panel scan is used to start and record the scanning process. In this panel, you can also choose the scanning mode and the device which you would like to use. The panel edit will help you modify the ready model or edit the raw data. There are 3 main tools. The eraser is used to delete unnecessary information. The smooth brush is used to edit uneven surfaces. The transformation tool is used to modify the position and scaling of the model as it relates to the XYZ axis. The Tools panel contains a number of algorithms which are arranged into a few groups. Registration algorithms are necessary for data optimization inside the scanned data. Algorithms for creating polygonal models. Post-processing algorithms. We will study each one of them more thoroughly in our next series of tutorials. The Align panel will help you merge several scans into a single model. The Edges menu will help you fill in the holes in a fused model. The Measures panel has several types of measures available. The Multi-tab will help you scan with several scanners simultaneously. This tab activates the texturizing process. You will have 2 texturizing methods to choose from. And finally, you can publish your models on our special websites for 3D models called viewshape.com. So we have come to the end of our first tutorial. These and all other options will be described in more detail in our next series of tutorials.